From Crafter's Companion and the Sara Davies Flutterby collection, Wild and Free foil transfers and Summer in Color foil rolls make it easy to add shimmering foil accents to cards, journals, even fabric or wood. So I think that's pretty amazing, and that is the foil that can be added just to transfer. It's really easy to do. I'm going to start by showing you the Summer in Color rolls here. So 4 rolls, lilac, teal, blue, and purple. Each of those rolls is 3 3/4 inches wide. So let me just pull out one of these. I've been using them, so I've sort of undone the beginning of it there. Wait a minute. Each of these is 3 3/8. I don't know if I said the wrong thing there. 3 3/8 inch wide and 19 3/4 inches long. So you're getting a nice long roll of it, and you're going to cut that foil to the size that you need for each transfer. You get a silver side and you've got that pretty colored side, so really beautiful colors. Cut a little piece off to suit the image that you want to transfer. Wild and Free foil transfers have 6 sheets. There are over 60 transferable images. They're so pretty. You're getting instructions on the back of how to do this. You do get an application tool, a little wooden application tool to do this too. But let's pull this all in and I will show you these one at a time. 60 images. So you're getting butterflies with nice words on there. Fly away, joy, flutter, simply sweet, with love, follow your dreams. Lots of different sizes of butterflies. You're getting words, so this is great. You're going to be able to add words to your cards, to your scrapbooking even. So this is really fun. You can meet butterflies, time flies, wild and free, never hide your wings, blossom like a butterfly, be beautiful. Lots of fun sayings there. You're getting some beautiful scenery with grass. I have that upside down. Blossom like a butterfly, you make my heart flutter. So this is really fun too. I love the grass down there. All of this, you can cut out each one of these pieces individually and then transfer using the foil. I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to do a demo in just a second. Put lots of butterflies in that look. You're also getting these really kind of art deco designs here with flourishes. You get border pieces. You get more butterflies, so that's beautiful. And the last of the 6 sheets, 60 images all together, more butterflies and hearts with beautiful filigree and fun things all over those. So that's what comes in the foil transfers, as well as this little tool here. It's a wooden application tool, and let me show you how that works. I've got a piece of cardstock that I'm grabbing here. There's my cardstock. I've got my little application tool, and I took one of the little sheets and I cut out the image that I want. So cut out whatever image that you want to use, and then you're going to start by peeling off this back layer. So this is a protective layer. We're going to pull that off, and then we're going to place this acetate piece. It's kind of sticky on the back, and that is going to be placed on my cardstock. So I've got it so that I can actually read the image on the front, and then I'm just going to use this to make sure that I'm moving it around. Now as I do this, this image is silk screened on the front, so that's a little bit of ink on there that's going to come off on that tool. That's okay. You just want to make sure that you get the image fully covered back and forth until you totally get all of that on there. And I'm going to lift it up sort of carefully to make sure that I did get it on there. As I lift it, I'm looking to see that it transferred. Yeah, I see it on there. You sort of can turn it to see. You can see that little bit of adhesive. There you go. And that's like an adhesive that I can now use to attach the foil. So I cut a piece of foil to fit that. I could have even cut it smaller, makes it gold, but you can, anything that doesn't get used on this, you can use again. And I place it, I don't place it blue side down. Do not do that, because this is the side that needs to go against it. You want whatever color you want it to be, you want that color to be the up side. I'm going to press it in place, and as I do that, I can really see right away that it's already sticking in those areas onto what I just placed, used with the stick to attach on there. And then, oh, it's kind of easier to place that acetate right back over it. Then I kind of know where I'm working, and through the acetate, push until the foil adheres to that little sticky transfer that's now on the card. After you do this, you don't have to wait for it to dry or anything like that. It will be attached, and it's all right if this moves around. That's not going to hurt anything. And if I were to pull this up and find that the foiling did not go all over that little butterfly, I could just place the foil back down again and do it again. So I'm going to check now to see if it worked, and sure enough. Very simple to do. It removes the foil from this, and you can use more of that foil. Use it again and again. But that beautiful look, so gorgeous. You're getting nice shiny foiling. Works great on the white, works great on the black. Just really easy to do. And be sure and check out paperwishes.com to see more and how perfectly these elements match the rest of this Sara Davies Flutterby collection.